Peace be upon you and your family. 11th Chemistry Refresher Course Model, Unit 10 Metallurgy, and in this video we are going to discuss about the answer key under the name Student Activity and Assessment. Come to the student activity. Dash is an important metal to form amalgam. Any metal form a compound with mercury is called amalgam. Any metal form a compound with mercury is called amalgam. And tin amalgam used in Tyndall filling. Name the metal used for galvanization. Zinc, galvanization of iron. Zinc is used to protect the Fe iron surface. Sacrificial, the anodic corrosion method. Give an example for basic flux. Calcium oxide, metallic oxide are basic in nature, which is used to remove the acidic gangue formed in metallurgical process as slag. Calcium is removed as calcium silicate. Which metals excel in thermal and electrical conductivity? Silver and copper excel in conductivity of heat and current. What is an alloy and how is it prepared? An alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or one or more metals with certain non-metallic elements. Example, brass made by mixing zinc and copper in molten stage. How it is prepared? In molten state, the zinc and copper are mixed with each other to form an alloy called brass. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin and stainless steel, nickel, chromium, iron and carbon. The chemical formula for rust is ferric oxide X hydrate, Fe2O3 X H2O. Come to the assessment part of this lesson. Mention the properties of metal. Metals are lustrous solid in nature. The lustrous is due to the presence of one or two electrons in the outermost cell. And all metals are hard and strong except sodium and potassium. They can be cut with a knife. They are soft metal. All the metals, they are having high melting and boiling point. Metals have high density. Metals are ductile. What is meant by ductile? They can be drawn into thin wires. Metals are malleable. They can be beaten into thin sheet. All metals conduct heat and electricity. All metals are highly electropositive in nature. Metals are monoatomic. And metals forming basic metallic oxide, calcium oxide, sodium oxide are all basic oxide. Assessment number 2, describe froth flotation process. Froth flotation process principle. It is suitable for lighter sulfide ore. Example, zinc sulfide, zinc blende, galena, copper pyrite, all are sulfide ore. Separation depends on the preferential wettability of the ore with pine oil and the gangue particle with water. Method. The crushed ore is suspended in water and mixed with frothing agent like pine oil, eucalyptus oil and etc. The ore particles wetted by oil rise to the surface along with the froth. The froth is skimmed off and tried to recover the concentrated ore. The gangue particles which are wetted by water settle at the bottom. This is apparatus used in froth flotation method. Here, the sulfide ore particle is taken, water containing pine oil, gangue particles settle at the bottom of the beaker. Froth bubbles carrying sulfide ore particle are now come to the surface of this vessel. Compressed air is passed into this mixture. It is used to form the froth. And the sulfide ore particles are wetted by the oil. They come to the surface and skimmed off. And the heavier gangue particle which are wetted by water molecule settle down at the bottom of this vessel. Come to the third assessment. Assessment number 3. What is meant by corrosion? Give an example. Corrosion, it is a gradual destruction of metals by chemical or electrochemical reaction with the environment is called corrosion. Example, rusting. Formation of scaling reddish brown hydrated ferric oxide on the surface of iron is called rusting. Methods of preventing corrosion. First one is alloying, mixture of metal. Surface coating like painting. The surface of iron is coated with the zinc metal. Galvanization, coating zinc on iron sheet. Anodizing, when zinc iron is coupled with the zinc acts as anode and iron acts as a cathode. Therefore, zinc undergo corrosion. To save the surface of iron sheet from rusting. Electroplating, plating of one metal on the surface of another by using electric current is called electroplating. Explain the role of flux in metallurgy. Flux, the substance added to the ore to reduce the fusion temperature and to remove the impurities is called flux. Two types of flux. One is acidic flux, example silica SiO2, and basic flux, example calcium oxide. Where acidic flux is used, if gangue is basic in nature, then acidic flux is added. Magnesium oxide, which is a basic gangue. Magnesium is a metal oxide or basic in nature. To remove the basic gangue, acidic flux is added and the gangue is removed as magnesium silicate MgSiO3, a waste product. If gangue is acidic in nature, then basic flux is added. If the gangue is silica, non-metallic oxide or acidic oxide, the metallic oxide basic in nature is added and the gangue is removed as a slag named calcium silicate. Fifth assessment, list out the steps involved in metallurgical process. The extraction of a metal of interest from the ore consists of the following steps. One is concentration of the ore, extraction of crude metal and refining of crude metal. Assessment number 6. Distinguish between ore and mineral. Mineral, a naturally occurring substance obtained by mining. It may be a single compound or a complex mixture of various compounds of metal. Ore, a mineral from which metal can be readily obtained conveniently and economically on a large scale is called ore. Ore contains high percentage of metal of interest. Alumina is an example of ore. Clay and alumina, aluminum oxide, bauxite are the minerals of aluminum. What is the ore of aluminum? Bauxite, Al2O3, X-H2O. And my dear students, in this video, we discussed the answer key for Unit 10, Metallurgy. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.